Yeah.
My lords, I'm sorry to trouble my lords. My lord, may I pray that these matters may be listed tomorrow, my lord, DV matters.
DB matters, what is the urgency?
My lord, urgency is that in 4 matters, we need just a issuance of notice, my lord, for condonation of delay. And in 1 matter, tomorrow, the suspension order has to be reviewed, my lord. And then the suspension has been set aside, my lord. That's why.
Okay, issue notice, okay, condonation will.
Yes, my lord.
The other matter maybe on.
My lord, urgency is there. Tomorrow is the last day to take a decision. That's all.
Okay.
Obliged. Obliged.
Item number 1. May it please your lordship.
Yes.
This appeal lordship, we have preferred and writ appeal lordship against the order dated 11/11/2025 of writ petition.
And the tender process has been set aside.
Yes, lordship.
Directing fresh tender process.
Fresh tender process, my lord.
Yes, we will issue notice at this stage because
Lordship,
there are so many
Lordship,
infirmities in your tender also.
Lordship will be pressing for stay, lordship. Lordship, there are grounds, lordship.
Your tender also are fraught with so many shortcomings.
Lordship, hence this appeal, lordship. There are not so many shortcomings, lordship. In fact, lordship, only 2 shortcomings which was noticed by the honorable single judge.
But the other bidders can point out other shortcomings. That is
Lordship,
the law.
but lordship, the shortcomings only on the basis of the RTI reply, lordship. However, lordship, in the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents, lordship, we have.
But the press notice has been issued, tender notice.
No, lordship, not yet.
And we'll issue notice. We'll observe that in an event, any press notice is NIT is issued, then petition appellant will be at liberty to.
But lordship, at this stage,
we'll keep
lordship,
it
a
open.
third party has been given the work for this month, lordship.
Where is that?
Lordship, to our lordship instruction, lordship.
No, it is a pleaded case.
No, lordship, to our instruction. No, lordship, not a pleaded case, but lordship,
Because
it's a fact.
tender has been cancelled. The
Not-
process has been cancelled. And direction to issue fresh notice.
Lordship,
Is it not?
lordship.
Now, how can the authority can give the LOI or whatever?
Lordship, hence this appeal, lordship, we
Where
have
is that?
a prayer for stay of the lordship impugned judgment, lordship, hence we have
No,
preferred
if
this
it
appeal.
is, if tender has been awarded
Lordship,
to some party, then it is a different matter altogether. That is in violation of the judgment, right?
lordship.
But whether you have pleaded that has been awarded,
No, not pleaded because lordship, we have straight away come for lordship stay of the impugned judgment so that lordship our
no, we
work
have
is lordship
seen
reallotted
many
to us, lordship.
infirmities in your tender also.
Lordship, that's why this appeal, lordship, we want to satisfy as to why there are no as such.
We'll
no
call
such
for the
infirmity.
record, but no fresh NIT has been issued. So there is no, how can we?
Lordship, at least our lordship work should be real.
Let us have the judgment. It is recorded.
Lordship, impugned judgment at page
No,
227.
impugned judgment, yes, at page. Now the writ petitioner, he had pointed out, and that he himself did not point out. He had pointed out on the basis of RTI reply.
Lordship,
Come to page 8. He had indicated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
he has indicated, but lordship, in our affidavit in opposition, lordship, we have adequately responded to that as to why these infirmities
court has
as
recorded the
indicated are not
finding.
correct.
And
lordship,
court has recorded the finding. As regards your bid, Era 28.
lordship, paragraph 28.
Of the judgment.
But lordship, the materials which we place by way of the affidavit, by way of pleading, not
Let us see
sufficient,
your EMD.
lordship. Which was
What is the meaning of earnest money deposit? That
earnest,
is your earnestness
lordship.
to participate in the bidding process. And it is your money which is to be deposited as an earnest money deposit. Who is this Messrs. HT Enterprise?
He is the chairman of the society.
No,
He's
that
not a
cannot be. It is apparent illegality.
Lordship, he's not a stranger. He's the chairman of the
No,
appellant
stranger,
society, my
no.
lord.
It is the only and the only bidder. No one else. Earnest money deposit means, what is the meaning of earnest? The sincerity
Our
to participate
sincerity,
in the
Lordship.
bidding process.
Lordship, and that has been
And that
pledged.
sincerity is not reflected from the earnest money deposit, madam.
Lordship, Lordship, two aspects, Lordship. Earnest money deposit, Lordship, that has
That
been
is-
pledged by the chairman of the
That
society, Lordship.
factor is clear now.
Lordship, and the other,
It is an admitted position. Messrs. HT Enterprise has deposited the EMD.
Lordship, it's an admitted position.
Then,
And he is the chairman.
end of the
Lordship.
matter.
And Lordship, the other aspect, whether it was, whether the Lordship financial soundness certificate was from a nationalized
That
bank.
else is
That is
enough. There is no other
But
point
Lordship-
required to be gone into.
But Lordship, our first and
You
foremost ground,
show us EMD is given by you or HT Enterprise.
HT Lordship.
You
is
have
the
admitted?
chairman. Chairman is not the stranger,
Your-
Lordship, to the society.
You admitted during the course of the proceeding?
Lordship, chairman is not the stranger, Lordship, to the society, Lordship.
That is not the issue here. If something is to be done in a particular manner, that thing must be done in that particular
But
manner.
Lordship, in the
Earnestness is regarding the earnestness of the bidder, not anybody else. A company, Reliance Industries, right? If it has to participate in a bid, the earnest money has to be deposited in the name of Reliance Industries, not in the name of Mukesh Ambani.
Lordship,
As clear as that.
Lordship, our first
Crystal
and
clear.
foremost ground was regarding the
No,
local
madam,
standard of the
we don't
petitioner.
find anything to stay the judgment. as on date.
Lordship, one aspect, Lordship, which I'd like to, Lordship, submit before your Lordship, regarding the locus standi. Lordship, the Honorable Single Judge, Lordship, came to a finding that the writ petitioner had the locus standi just because he participated in the tender process and his bid was rejected. One aspect which was not, Lordship, determined was whether his bid was rightly rejected or incorrectly rejected. If his bid was rightly rejected, then he has no locus standi at all.
Locus will
my
decide
lord.
at the time.
Lordship, and that is a very vital aspect, Lordship. And
No court cannot close its eyes,
Lordship.
right?
And Lordship, if the
In
authorities
the,
are
in the
satisfied, Lordship,
irregularities.
Lordship, since the authorities are satisfied regarding both the earnest money deposit
The
as well as
decision is not the
financial
manner in which decision has been arrived at. So your earnest money, that is one lone factor that can decide the fate of the bid.
Yes, Lordship. But however, this is not, Lordship, this is not a stipulated term and condition. If clause number 4.1 is seen, it's
Let
not-
us see.
Lordship, clause number 4.1 at page 154 of the memorandum of appeal, my lord.
Yes, four.
For
It is very illegible.
earnest money of rupees 2 lakhs,
Which one is
Lordship,
type copy?
Lordship, page 154 is the type copy.
4-1.
Lordship, clause 4.1 reads, earnest money of rupees 2 lakhs only in the form of deposit at call receipt or fixed deposit receipt in favor of the Deputy Commissioner Pakke Kesang District. The earnest money will be refunded on finalization of the tender.
Tender should be submitted in printed letterpad indicating clearly the name of the proprietor with full address, telephone number of the tenderer along with the all supporting documents as mentioned below. So tender, earnest money has not been deposited in the name of the bidder.
Lordship, that is not a required condition of the term
Oh.
and condition, Lordship. If you
Shall I
read it,
decide today?
Lordship, for the stay, Lordship,
Then it will be, fate will be disastrous for you.
Lordship,
If you urge that point today, earnest money is the meaning of earnest, is the sincerity on the part of the bidder. That he is taking part, investing his own money. Chairman is a complete different. Chairman, he may be chairman of the bidder society, but he is individual. HT Enterprise is a proprietorship enterprise.
Lordship, it's a
Or
cooperative
something else.
society.
It is a complete, if proprietorship enterprise, he is a person. If he is a partnership enterprise, he is also an association of person. Distinct entity. Right? So we'll examine the issue. But As on that, your prayer for intermediate will be kept open for consideration as no NIT has been issued as on that in terms of the direction of the court.
Lordship.
So you can press if NIT is issued. And your submission regarding award of the tender process to another party,
Lordship.
if you bring that on record, it is a good case for stay. There is no doubt about it, right? But that is not your pleaded case.
Lordship.
Is it your pleaded case?
Lordship.
And that is a cause of action for you, because otherwise you have not been debarred from participating in the fresh tender process. Is it not?
Lordship.
And it is not the case that Learned Single Judge has awarded has substituted the decision of the tendering authority
Lordship.
sitting in appeal. The Learned Single Judge has found irregularities in the decision-making process. Yes, Mr.
My lord, in single bench, my lord, we sail together. And because of technical issue, now we're on the other side, my lord.
Okay. Hard, Miss R.
Lordship P. Borua.
P. Borua, Learned Counsel for the appellate. And Mr. R.H. Nabam. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's fine.
Because what is your submission regarding EMD before the single judge?
Lordship, in a affidavit in opposition.
No, in a judgment it is
Gotcha.
reserved. In judgment it has been explained. Para 14. Para.
Lordship, not 14, 16, Lordship.
16.
ST Enterprises.
Lordship, if
Ah,
you read,
it is in admission HT Enterprise.
does not mention that the deposit has to be done only in the name of private.
You are reiterating the same submission. You are reiterating the same submission.
Lordship.
But it is that deposit call receipt, fixed deposit receipt was made by HT Enterprise on behalf of private enterprise. Right. Now, if I want to participate in a bidding process
Lordship.
myself, 100 crore project, I don't have the earnest money of 3 crores. Mr. Mukesh Ambani deposits it. Whether I'll be able to participate? Oh. As simple logic as that. Mr. R.H. Navam, Learned. If the state has awarded it to another party without adhering to the direction of Learned Single Judge, absolutely good case for you. Yes, Mr. Navam, you appear for
My lord, I am for 1, 4, and 5, my lord.
1 to 5.
1, 4, and 5.
1, 4, and 5. Food and civil supplies.
My lord, they have their standing counsel, my lord, Mr.
Who is
Jamo.
that?
Mr. Jamo, my lord. He is absent today.
Okay. 1 Learned Additional Aboriginal on Nature Praise for the respondent number 1, 4, and 5. Okay. And this intercourt appeal is preferred against the judgment and order dated (11/11/2025), passed by Learned Single Judge in a writ petition WPC number 111 within bracket AP of 2025, whereby the Learned Single Judge has directed the state respondents to go for a fresh tender in respect of A contract work for appointment of PDS wholesale nominee cum carriage contractor in respect of Pake Kesang district for the year 2025-2027. First off, the appellant was a bidder in the said bidding process, which was initiated by the tender notice dated 10/4/2024. First off, the bid evaluation board in its proceeding, held on 10/1/2025, recommended the bid of the appellant for the said contract work. Full stop. Another participant bidder, as the writ petitioner, instituted the writ petition WPC number 111 AP 2025, alleging infirmities in the decision-making process posed to the learned single judge. After considering the materials on record and hearing the parties, came to a finding that there were deficiencies in the bids of all the participant bidders, and as such, to ensure fairness and transparency and equal treatment, a fresh tender process is the only option for the state respondent authorities for selection of a bidder in accordance with law and in terms of the tender notice issued by the state respondents. First of, the petitioner, the appellant, agreed by the judgment, impugned judgment and order is before this court. Issue notice returnable on. Yes, when do you want? You have to take steps also. Ms. Burua, learned counsel appearing for the appellant, has further submitted that the state respondents have, in the meantime, awarded the contract work to a party, third party, without going through the fresh tender process. First of, however, the same, the said fact is not pleaded in the appeal. First of, it will last to live. The appellant is therefore at liberty to bring such facts on record by appropriate pleadings. It will last to live. Issue notice returnable on.
Lordship, on 16th or 17th of December.
Because you have to take steps.
Lordship, in the meantime, we'll take steps, Lordship.
Okay. 19 to 12, 2025. As Mr. Nabam has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the so-and-so, issuance of formal notice to the said respondents is dispensed with. Extra copies of the memo of appeal within 2 working days. The appellant shall serve requisite number of extra copies of the writ petition, memo of appeal to Mr.
Jambo Mal Standing Council, my lord.
Land Standing Council, Food and Civil Supplies Department for service of notice upon the respondent number 2, 3, and 6.
My lord.
Right?
Right, my lord.
Within 2 working days for service of notice. Within 2 working days from today, the appellant shall take steps for service of notice upon the remaining respondents, that is respondent number 7 to 10, by speed post within 2 working days from today. You want Dusty also?
Lordship, we can take the steel, Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship.
In addition, Likhedibo, routed to the registry compliance affidavit. Right? Last read Likhedibo. And prayer for interim relief is also kept open for consideration on the returnable date.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
keeping it alive.
Item number 2.
Anything, sir? Anything more?
No, that's fine.
May this board Lordship.
Service report awaited. Service report awaited.
Lordship, it has
For
been
respond number 6.
completed, Lordship.
Completed.
Yes, Lordship.
Somebody has appeared. This is a report on 26/11/2025.
We have taken the steps, but Lordship.
Steps,
Yes.
but not complete. Secondly, you have not taken steps for service upon the respond number 7.
We have taken, Lordship, in
Huh?
the office itself, Lordship.
But office notes do not indicate so. We have taken steps for only respond number 6.
No, Lordship, previously when the matter was heard for the first time, we have taken all these steps during the day, and only the left out was respondent number 6. Thereby, in the last hearing, I have prayed that one of the respondent steps has not been completed. Thereby, we took the steps.
Mr.
Lordship.
Counsel,
Yes, Lordship.
how many respondents?
7 respondents, Lordship.
7.
Yes, Lordship.
Why is, there is no notice, no direction to issue notice to respond number 7 on the first date, 26/9/2025. Is the respond number 7 is not a necessary party or what?
No, Lordship, he is.
Huh? Maybe by name he has not been issued notice.
Yes, might be, Lordship.
Yes, he has not been issued notice, field director, conservator of forest. I think by the order, the court has consciously not issued notice to him because he is by name. Okay. And respond number 6 is also an individual.
Yes, Lordship.
Why Dadra and Nogor Haveli?
Lordship, I am transferred to that place. And when I went there, Lordship, already another presiding officer is presiding, Lordship.
Respondent number 6.
He is respondent number 6, Lordship. And the respondent number 7 is the newly appointed in my previous transfer place, Lordship. So I'm left with nowhere, Lordship. That is the case, Lordship. And as per the gazetted notification, Lordship, there is only one vacancy for CCF. And actually, I am the CCF, Lordship, cadre CCF. And whereas the present officer is not the, he's SDR, Lordship, not CCF, Lordship.
But we are awaiting service of notice. Heard Mr. S. Inky.
My lord, I have a prayer. Lordship, yesterday I have mentioned the matter for urgency. Now, respondent number 5 is ADC. In my previous posting place, he is a ADC. He is giving
Let
me.
us see, because we thought that it has come for only service report.
No, Lordship.
You want to decide the matter or what?
Yes, Lordship. At least an interim may be given on the because my government quarter is there. The ADC is giving me last date of 30 of this month. If I do not vacate, he will vacate it, Lordship.
What is the case about?
This is
You are serving as what?
I am Lordship IFS cadre, batch of 2006. Presently, my designation is
You are IFS.
yes, Lordship.
You belong to IFS.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, my
You were appointed as, you were serving as Chief Conservator of Forest.
yes, Lordship. On 30 December, I was
Where?
promoted.
Itanagar.
No, Lordship, at Namdapha National Park, Miao, Changlang district.
Let us see the impugned order first. Where is the impugned order?
There is a judgment, Lordship.
No, where is the impugned order first, which has been silenced before the cat?
This is Lordship, page number 17.
17 is affidavit. Protocol, 1st August.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is 1st August? Order. Annexer 1.
Lordship, here in the judgment, the Honorable Kate Guwahati bench.
No, I'm trying to find out the
Yes, Lordship.
pagination of the petition.
Yes, Lordship.
First triggers passed by the students, so. Vineet Kumar Jawal. The above mentioned were found by the
Fifth but sign on first.
Huh?
Page 18. Page
18.
18.
18.
Fifth but sign on 1.
Above mentioned application signed by the. What is your transfer order?
Transfer order is, Lordship, in October 28th, judgment. Page number 31, Lordship.
31.
Yes, Lordship.
Your petition and my petition is not telling. Not telling. And continuation of ministers. What is the impugned transfer order dated?
28 February 25.
Okay, it
Lordship.
is in page 33 in my brief.
Or it is- Page.
So, Indian Forest Service officers
Yes, Lordship.
have a cadre.
Yes, Lordship.
What are the cadre? Which are the states? Apart from Arunachal Pradesh.
It's, Lordship, Egmont,
You do not have any inherent right to stay in Arunachal Pradesh. Right?
yes, Lordship.
It is a cadre.
Yes.
And cadre, what are the cadre states? In which cadre you have been allotted?
Union Territory, Lordship.
Union Territory.
Yes, Lord.
It consists of which
Da-
areas?
Dadra Nagar Haveli and
It's
Daman-
part of the cadre.
Yes, Lordship.
Part of your cadre.
Yes, Lordship.
Right?
That is my newly posting place,
Ah.
Lordship.
And when you were promoted?
On 30 December, Lordship.
30
24.
December 2024.
Yes, Lordship.
And normally with promotion order,
Lordship, I will
promotion
explain.
order is less to a transfer order,
Yes, Lordship.
normally. So you were promoted on 30th December 2024. And this is the consequential transfer order.
Yes, Lordship.
Is it not? Is it not?
If
And
I
you
may.
challenge it.
No, Lordship, I will explain it.
No, no, you
the way
challenge
it
it
is.
perhaps.
Yes,
The
Lordship.
cat.
I'm not challenging it, Lordship.
Let us see.
I'm not impugned by this order. I'm impugned by the relieving order which was passed by the state,
1 minute.
Lordship.
And what did you challenge then?
I have challenged, first of all, Lordship, the judgment which was passed by the Kate. And
In cat, what was challenged?
yes, that was
Sir?
my challenge, Lordship. Yes,
Huh?
that was my challenge.
Tell me that.
Yes, Lordship.
You are saying that you are not agreed by this order and you challenge it before cat.
No, Lordship. Yes,
Let us be simple.
yes, Lordship.
This is the transfer order,
Yes, Lordship.
subsequent to your promotion order,
Yes, Lord.
right? And you have challenged it before the cat. Let us come to page 21. You sought setting aside of that order,
Yes, Lordship.
right? And what is the consequential order? 16/4/2025. What is the
My Lord,
okay?
the order
Okay.
says that both the respective officers are to be posted in their place respectively.
In person,
But there is only one vacancy, Lordship.
please to order relieving Vineet Kumar Jawar from Department of Animal Government, Research of Civil to join. So 16/4/2025 was a relieving order.
Yes, Lordship. Passed by the PCCF, the state.
Huh?
Yes.
He has to abide by that.
Yes, but in the relieving order, they have mentioned me as a CF, not CCF. Lordship, they have made a blunder which had reached the before the ministry, Lordship. That is why when I was posted there in the newly posting place, there is now already another officer presiding. But actually, as per the transfer order dated 28 February 25, it was supposed to be me who will be presiding there, Lordship.
Yes.
That is my impunity. Lordship.
You have been posted in the Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
Yes, Lordship.
After being promoted as what?
CCF.
CCF.
Yes, Lordship.
By this 28 February 2025 order.
No,
Right.
Lordship. Prior to that.
Where is that order?
30,
Where is that order?
that is, Lordship. I have not annexed it because
Next.
it's there in the judgment itself, Lordship.
We'll come to that.
Yes, Lordship. My lords, on October 30, 2026, I'm
I'll
retiring.
revert back to you.
Yes, Lordship.
You challenge the relieving order dated 16/4/2025
Yes, Lordship.
before this court also.
Yes, Lordship. Before your bench,
Then what happened?
Lordship, your bench had given a direction that you highlight your grievances before the competent authority.
Uh-huh.
Thereby, we file it on the next date. We have withdrawn.
Constitution has permitted to withdraw the present writ petition to approach the appropriate forum. Okay.
Yes, Lordship. We have.
Appropriate forum. Then you approached CAT.
Yes, Lordship.
Now what is the finding?
Finding is that, Lordship.
Finding is, come to finding first.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, if I may read para number 10 of the judgment, Lordship.
Yes, CAT has delivered its order.
Yes, Lordship.
Then,
In the order, it says that the respondent are directed to post the two IFS officer as per their order dated so and so. In respect of Sanjay K. Waratkar, the private respondent number 5, and the applicant Sri Binit Kumar Jawal in their respective position as in the state deputation. So basically, Lordship, the judgment says that both of us you go and preside there. But as per the notification, gazetted notification is there, Lordship, passed by the Union of India. It says that in the area there is only one vacancy, Lordship, one vacancy of CCF.
no, CAT has clearly defined, clearly found out as per the stand given by the Ministry of Environment. There are two posts, sir. One is cadre post, which you would be occupying.
Yes, Lord.
The other, which the respondent number 6 would be occupying, is a state deputation reserve post.
Yes,
It is clear. Paragraph 9.
that is the problem, Lordship. I will explain, Lordship.
Then what is the subsequent cause?
Lordship, when I went for joining, the other respondent number 6 is presiding as a cadre CCF. That is my post.
And then ministry has who is
Yes,
respondent
Lordship.
number union. Where you have pleaded? Where you have pleaded?
Lordship, it was, we have not pleaded there, Lordship.
Oh. You have been consuming time for last 30 minutes without any pleading.
No, Lordship, it is a fact, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Swainso, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Swainso, learned DYSGY for the respondent number 1.
One only, man.
1. Mr. Swainso, learned additions are written. Additional senior, additional advocate general, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, for the respondent number 2 to 5, post of. In view of the office note dated 26/11/2025, await for the service report in respect of the respondent.
Lordship, at least,
The state respondents, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the respondent number 6, as on date, is occupying the post wherein the petitioner has been promoted by an order dated 30/12/2024, read with an order dated 28/2/2025. Post up. The respondent authorities in the Union of India shall file their response within 3 weeks' time.
Lordship, if this court is magnanimous, just to listen my prayer, Lordship. There is this ADC order, Lordship.
Sir,
Yes, Lordship.
what kind of, what are you selling this, sir? Are you still in Arunachal Pradesh?
Yes, my quarter is
who
there
is-
still, Lordship.
Within what time you will be vacating?
Lordship, I am left with nowhere.
You have many interest in Arunachal Pradesh.
No, Lordship.
It looks like you are sticking to your seat since February 2025. You have not finished your unofficial business here.
I finished, Lordship.
Then
I even went, Lordship. That is the case, Lordship. Whereas the Now-
till what time you want to leave your quarter? 7 days.
Lordship, I will vacate it, but a proper direction, Lordship, proper direction is
You are
not given
an
to me.
officer of CCS rank. Which is the order of the deputy commissioner?
Lordship, it will be in 45 page number.
Shall we enforce? We'll enforce it.
No, Lordship, my only prayer is that at least interim may be given on that order until they file the reply, Lordship.
No, I am declining it and I am directing it to enforce it.
Petition
Lordship.
already released on 16 April. Lordship.
16 April.
Yeah, with the effect from 17,
Ah.
which, with,
So we'll be enforcing it.
no, Lordship.
We'll be enforcing it. Use police force. Heard, Mr. This is too much.
My lord,
As right.
Yes. Yes, it's
Huh?
long. Yes, of course. Long time.
Force. If necessary, police force.
no, Lordship,
Within
That will
7 days.
but then,
Mr.
Lordship,
As Intel and counsel for the petitioner.
where will I go then, Lordship? A direction then also has
I
to be.
thought
Yes, Lordship.
wise sense would prevail on you.
Yes, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, a direction be given if I have to go there or where.
No, I'm not there. Why should I give the direction? Direction is clear.
That is why, Lordship,
Where
I'm
the
praying
further
for-
direction is required, sir. You are sticking to your seat.
Lordship, there is,
You are sticking to your seat with Fevicol. No.
Lordship, I humbly submit, Lordship, there is a reason. I have a case.
No,
That's
you
why.
have unofficial business
No, Lordship.
in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. After your transfer order, as far back as on 28 February 2025,
Yes, Lord.
right? You influence the state authorities to write to the union ministry, and union ministry in clear terms said no, implement. Then only you pass the relieving order, the state. I have seen in the meantime. And thereafter also, after 16th of April, you are still in Arunachal Pradesh on the pretext that that man is occupying my post without any kind of pleading. Without any kind of pleading here. Next,
Yes, Lordship.
August 2025. Till August, you are occupying the official quarter under lock, putting it under lock and key. Right?
Yes, Lordship. Where will I go, Lordship? That is the question only.
No question at all. What valid ground and legal ground, sir?
Ground, Lordship,
What ground?
gazetted notification is there, Lordship.
What
Passed by
gazetted
the Union of
notification?
India.
Which gazetted notification?
Lordship, it will be in page number,
Yes, the state's official respondents are supporting him.
No, no.
Huh?
So this order has been passed. No.
Till 16th April
No.
2025,
No.
the state was supporting him.
No, sir, the litigation was pending before the son of court. As well as before-
No, you wanted him to in the state,
no, 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 sir.
writing
Because-
letters to the Union Ministry. When
Because-
Union Ministry said sharply,
No, sir.
no way,
No, sir. Therefore, the release order was already.
that after 2 months,
No, sir.
something is, yes,
That release order was.
where is the notification?
Lordship, 64, page number.
Is, yes, which part?
Lordship, in the Dadra Nagar Haveli Daman and Diu, Lordship. Level 14.
Hmm.
There is only one CCF, Lordship.
CAT has cleared, sir. CAT has cleared. Are you disputing that position at para 9 and 10? Have you, that is your case.
Yes, Lordship.
Which is your case? 28 August 2025, vacating order of the official quarter or the CAT order, which is challenged?
Lordship, the
Let us have the benefit. I have not seen the prayer. I think presence of respondent of 6 is not required. This is enough.
Lordship,
You are challenging it.
yes, Lordship.
At what basis? That no post is there.
Lordship, I'm humbly I submit, Lordship. I'm not saying any order which was passed against me by them is illegal, arbitrary, or non-application. What I am saying that, Lordship, a proper direction to me was not given, whether I have to go there or I have to come here. If I go there, Lordship, there is,
Okay.
that is the.
Third, Mr. S. Ingti, Learned Council, Mr. Ingti, Learned Council for the petitioner has submitted that a proper direction was not issued to the petitioner as to whether the petitioner has to report at
No, that is not what I'm submitting, Lordship. I'm submitting that, Lordship. If I go there, already another officer is there. Vacancy is one. If I come back, the newly appointed officer is there,
At-
Lordship.
at Dadra.
Page 31.
Long name. Domon, Roman, and Diu, D-I-U, and Dadra, Roman, and Nogor Haveli, comma, Domon, within bracket, D-N-H, Roman, and D-D, by an office order dated 28/2/2025. Full stop. Subsequent to the said order, the petitioner has not been given any direction to report at his new post of CCF at D and so. Post of para. From the materials on record, comma, it has emerged that by an office order dated 30/12/2024, comma, the Ministry of Environment, comma, Forest and Climate Change, comma, Government of India promoted the petitioner, comma, who is a member of the Indian Forest Service, comma, to the post of Chief Conservator of Forest, WEF 01/01/2025, post of. After the promotion, comma, the Ministry of Environment, comma, Forest and Climate Change issued another office order dated 28/2/2025, transferring the petitioner, who is in Agmut, AGMUT cadre, comma, from the state of Arunachal Pradesh to DNH, Roman, DD, Roman and DD, full stop. The office order dated 28/2/2025 was initially, full stop. Subsequent to the office order dated 28/2/2025, comma, the petitioner was still working in the state of Arunachal Pradesh despite the transfer order, full stop. The Ministry of Environment, comma, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India had thereafter wrote to the Chief Secretary to the Government of Arunachal Pradesh that the transport officer should be considered stand relief to join his new place of posting with effect from the date of issuance of the office order dated 28/2/2025. Post up. It was on 16/4/2025, comma, the Department of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, passed an order under the hand of the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force, comma, Nagaland, whereby the petitioner had been relieved from the post he was holding in the Department of Environment, comma, Forest and Climate Change, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. And it was mentioned in the order that the relieving order would take effect from 17/4/2025 to enable the petitioner to join DNH Roman and DD in the joint AZMUT cadre on promotion. Full stop. The said order dated 16/4/2025 was initially put to challenge by the petitioner before this court by way of a writ petition, comma, WPC number 179/2025. Full stop. On 22/04/2025, notice was issued to the respondents with an observation that the petitioner could file a representation before the authorities highlighting his difficulties regarding his immediate release. Full stop. However, full stop. On the interim prayer, comma, the court in its order dated 22/04/2025 had observed that the prayer for interim relief was not sustainable, was not tenable. Full stop. Finally, when the writ petition, comma, WPC number 179/2025 was listed on 28/5/2025, comma, the court, having regard to the text and tenor of the order dated 16/4/2025, text and tenor of the relieving order dated 16/4/2025, observe that since the petitioner is an all India service officer, comma, he should raise his service related grievances before the jurisdictional central administrative tribunal, observing that this court is not the court of first instance for the petitioner to raise his service-related grievances, full stop, by an order dated 28/5/2025, comma, the petitioner was permitted to withdraw the writ petition WPC number 179/2025 with a liberty to approach the appropriate forum if so advised, full stop. Thereafter, comma, the petitioner approached the Central Administrative Tribunal Guwahati bench by way of an original application, comma, OA number 05/2025. Full stop. In the OA /2045/2025, comma, the petitioner assailed the office order dated 28/2/2025, comma, which was not challenged in the writ petition WPC number 179/2025, comma, and the office order dated 16/4/2025, whereby the petition was relieved by the state of Arunachal Pradesh with effect from 17/4/2025. Full stop. In the meantime, comma, as another officer has been transferred to the post the petitioner was holding earlier to 28/2/2025. Full stop. The petitioner was found occupying the official quarter allotted to him, which is required to be vacated for occupation of the transferred officer. Full stop. On 22/8/2025, comma, the office of the additional deputy commissioner, Miao, Changlang district, directed the petitioner to vacate the official quarter allotted for an officer holding the post of CF, is 45, CF, Roman and FD, comma, Namdapha National Park. CF, Roman and Field Director, comma, Namdapha National Park, Roman and Tiger Reserve, comma, Miao. Within 7 days from the date of issue, 7 days therefrom, as the petitioner was found keeping the said official quarter under lock and key with some important files, comma, keys of 3 number of government vehicles and other official items. Full stop. Para. The original application OA number 45/2025 was decided by an order dated 1/8/2025. Full stop. One of the grievances raised by the petitioner before the learned CAT was to the effect that the post to which the petition was transferred was held by another officer belonging to the IFS. Full stop. Comma, who has been implemented herein as respondent number 6. Full stop. The learned tribunal, after hearing the learned counsel for the parties and considering the materials brought on record, comma, disposed of the way with the following observations and directions. Para 910, page 31. Para. From the above excerpts, it is clear that the petitioner has been petitioned after promotion to the post of Chief Conservator of Forest in the Agmut cadre, comma, has been transferred to the Union Territory of D, NH, and DD in a cadre post. Whereas the other officer, the other IFS officer implemented herein as respondent number 6, comma, has been posted in a post meant for State Deputation Reserve SDR. Post up. The respondent authorities have been directed to post the 2 IFS officers in the cadre post, 2 IFS officers, that is the petitioner and the respondent number 6, in the cadre post and the State Deputation Reserve post, respectively, with immediate effect, and they are to join their respective positions accordingly. The respondent authorities are further directed to place the other IFS officer, comma, that is the respondent number 6, against State Deputation Reserve in any position as per the SDR norms suitable for his rank. Full stop. In the above, in view of such observation and direction, comma, it is clear that the petitioner, in deference to the observation and direction made by the CAT in its order dated 1/8/2025, passed in OA number 45/2025, comma, is required to report at Dadra and Roman and Nagar Haveli, comma, Daman and Diu, in order to join in the cadre post of Conservator of Forest, to which he was promoted on 30/12/2024 with immediate effect. Full stop. From it is full stop. Despite such direction, comma, the petitioner is still in the state of Arunachal Pradesh after the relieving order dated 16/4/2025, occupying the official quarter allotted to the CF Romanand, Field Director, Namdapha National Park and Tiger Reserve Miao unauthorizedly since 17/4/2025. Post of. In such view of the matter, we do not find any reason, not to speak of any reason, to direct the state respondent authorities not to enforce the order dated 28/2/2025. Post of. Well, in the light of the discussion made above, we do not find any merit in this writ petition, as the writ petition is bereft of any merits, full stop, and it is liable to be dismissed. Full stop. Though the respondent number 6 is yet to be served with the notice, in the light of the, in view of the discussion made above and for the regions assigned hearing, the writ petition is dismissed. There shall, however, be no error as to cost. Yes.
Public.
Yes, Lordship.
Item number 3 and 4.
This is true. Clear direction again. Yes,
I mean item 4, my lord.
item 4.
My lord.
Arising out of same.
Same judgment, Lordship.
Achung Bagang. Okay. And one is
Three is
Ocho
Yagnuli.
Liang. How many? How many?
2.
How many have been convicted? Then who is this? Okay. IA, who is the applicant in IA?
3.
Huh? Because three names are appearing. One is Yangno Liak.
Yes.
He is an appellant. Then Achung Bagang. He is also an appellant.
Yes.
So convicted persons, these two. Who is the applicant in IA? Ocho Liak.
Kechole, he is brother of
Okay, he is filing the application on behalf of his brother.
brother, yes.
Okay, brother means Yango Liak.
Yagnoliak, yes.
Okay. Paper book is ready.
Paper book is ready.
Counselor ready.
Yes.
Then single bench. Huh? How many? Any bail matters in a single bench? Huh? Make sure bails are also there.
हम सब बोले अपना पार्ट खोल देंगे और हम अपना पार्ट खोलेंगे कौन सा रेट सही है हम भी है आपका 3 2 विक्टिम के लिए और दूसरा में कितना था आप कितना करते हैं
Yes, because we both have single benches. Otherwise, we could have taken up. I think it takes some time. POXO.
Poxo, yes.
Yes, PP, what is the medical report?
Lordship, medical report in the IA, Lordship.
No, no,
I am in 4, my lord.
for
He I
Mr.
represent, Lordship.
Mr. Swain
Be your
and counsel for the appellant. In
ये कितना होगा दूसरा देगा ना Yeah, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, Your Lordship.
20.
This matter to be listed after 3 weeks.
Okay, on the prayer of Ms. So and Government Council. Leave the case after 2 weeks. It is submitted. You have informed the other side.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'm for the petitioner.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioners has submitted that consent has been taken from him to make the prayer. Please the case accordingly after 2 weeks. Needed 2 weeks by the office.
And also, item 23, Your Lordship.
23.
23. Here, Lordship, we need to file counter affidavit at
How
least
much
3
time you need?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Ms. So-and-so, Learned Common Council has prayed for and is granted 3 weeks time to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. Who's the petitioner?
Yes,
Mr. So-and-so. And counsel for the petitioner is present
you know, so there is an interim of
and has sought for extension of the interim order. The interim order passed shall continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm mentioning item number 61.
61.
Yes, Lordship. So there is a new development in this case.
Okay.
Now the Department of Tax and Excise,
Hmm.
they are in the process of bifurcating the department into 2 departments.
Hmm.
If petitioners are affecting,
Hmm.
then I will continue. If not, then this writ become impracticable. So I need 2 weeks time, Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners has submitted that there are subsequent developments in a matter which will have a bearing in the case. So, post of, he has sought listing of the case after 2 weeks in order to complete his instructions.
Obliged, Mr.
Please the case accordingly after 2 weeks.
My Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw item number 17, Lordship. Matter into access, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. Takar. You are Mr. Takar?
No, Lordship, K. Lowland on behalf of Titi Tara, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr. T.T. Tara, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, has submitted on instruction that the petitioners want to withdraw their writ petition. Ms. So-and-so, Learned State Counsel for the Learned Government Advocate for the state respondents is present. First up, in view of the above submission made by Mr. So-and-so, the Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners, the writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 22, Your Lordship. Here we have to file affidavit, Your Lordship. Some time may be given, Your Lordship.
Okay, petitioner, you are petitioner. Okay.
I've taken the, yes, Lordship.
Ms. So-and-so, Learned Government Advocate has prayed for and is granted writ on behalf of the state respondents. Post of it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the petitioner to make the prayer. Release the case accordingly after 3 weeks. On a date to be fixed by the office.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 to 15.
3 to 15.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Here, leading counsel Mr. Pritam Tapo is out of station,
Okay.
seeking for adjournment, Lordship.
Miss
P. Moyong.
P. Moyong, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners. Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. P. Tapo, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, has made a prayer for adjournment on the ground that Mr. Tapo has personal inconvenience today.
Lordship, 3 to 14.
3 to 14?
Yes.
Yes, 3 to 14.
Yes.
After what time?
2 weeks after.
Okay. The prayer is made with the consent of the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Full stop. Has sought for release the cases after 2 weeks. After 2.
Yes, Lordship.
my lord, I'd like to mention item number 52. I'm appearing for respondent number 2.
Item number
52. I'm appearing for respondent number 2.
2.
Yes. I've taken consent with the
Yes, sir. You're for respondent number 2.
Yes.
Yes.
My senior counsel is out of station and I have taken consent with the petitioner.
Okay. Mr. P.K. Gore,
Yes.
Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2.
Matter may be listed.
With the consent of the Learned Counsel for the other sides, has made a prayer for adjournment of the case for
For T-Wire. On
what time? By what time?
9 December.
Okay. What is the matter about?
is a matter about for a land.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, may I please? I'm for the petitioner. This matter is fixed for the disposal. actually.
Okay. Has sought for listing of the case on 9/12/2025. Full stop.
And kindly this,
List the case accordingly on 9/12.
Your Lordship, kindly this matter will listed on admission column, Your Lordship. It is in orders column actually.
Huh?
It has to be.
At the mention time, it is difficult to examine all,
Yes, Your Lordship.
whether it is admission or order or hearing.
But, Your Lordship, this is for the final.
9/12.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lord? Lordship, there's a two matter pending before this honorable court. This matter may be listed on 2nd of December, Lordship, for withdrawal.
Or
Withdrawal,
withdrawal.
Lordship.
Okay, withdrawal. You can get it tomorrow also.
Lordship, tomorrow I have some difficulties.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 62. Item number 62, Your Lordship.
62.
Yes, Your Lordship. The conducting counsel, Miss G.A. she is having some personal difficulty today, Your Lordship.
62.
Yes. Therefore, Your
Yes.
Lordship, yes.
Okay.
Yes, 62.
You have informed the other side.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Miss so-and-so learned government advocate has sought listing of the case after
After a week, Your Lordship.
after a week. So it is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel by the other sides to make the prayer. The prayer is allowed, list the case after 1 week candidate to fix by the office.
All right.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 49 and 50, Lordship.
49
and 50.
and 50. Yes.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Lordship. In this matter, Lordship, we, as per the direction given by this honorable court in the last occasion, Lordship, we have already taken a dusty service, Lordship, only to file an affidavit, Lordship. So 1 week time will be granted.
Okay. You are Mr.
T. Garam, Lordship.
Oh, Taja Garam.
Lordship.
Yesterday I saw your name.
Lordship.
And if you translate it in English, it will be press hot. Mr. T. Garam, Learned Counsel, has sought for 1 week time to file a compliance affidavit as regards service of notice upon the respondents by way of dusty.
No.
First up, the prayer is allowed, list the cases after 2 weeks.
Lordship, one more item, item number 51, Lordship. So in this matter, Lordship, the learned standing counsel for the RWD is due to some personal difficulties, is out of station, Lordship.
Mr. T. Garam, Learned Counsel, preparing for the petition, has submitted that he has been requested by the Learned Standing Counsel RWD to make a prayer for adjournment on his behalf. First up, adjournment on his behalf, adjournment for 2 weeks on his behalf. First up, in view of the same comma, let the case be listed after 2 weeks.
Deeply.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 29, 30, 35, and 39 on behalf of D. Panggang.
29,
30, 35,
My Lord,
35,
item
39.
29 to
1 minute, 29, 35 and
35 and 39.
this is in a series.
yes, my Lord, up to 48.
48, this is in a series.
My Lord, can these matters be taken up after 2 weeks, my Lord? We'll have to check out whether the affidavits are ready or not.
Okay. And who are the other counsels appearing in this series? All. Give your name against the repetition number. Right?
Yes.
All you give in a piece of paper for the petitioner side, the names against the repetition number. Right? Mr. Who made the prayer first?
Yes, sir. M. Boko, sir. M. Boko. M. Boko.
M. Boko, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners in 29. You write the repetition number 29, 30, 35, and 29. Has made a prayer for adjournment of the cases. First of Mr. Sonjan Learned, additional AG.
Yes, ma'am.
AP. Rotan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And Rotan. Learned Additional Advocate General AP has submitted that he would need 2 weeks, he would also need 2 weeks time to verify whether in all the cases counter affidavits have been filed on behalf of the state respondents or not. And if not, then the same would be filed within 2 weeks time. First off, the learned counsel for the petitioners in so and so are present. First off, in view of the above submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, list these cases after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office.
Complex.
The interim orders, wherever passed, shall continue till the next date of listing.
My lordship,
1 minute, a minute. Okay, this is 29 to 40. Oh, 48 series. Yes, sir.
lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, lordship.
2.
Yes, lordship. Here I'm appearing on behalf of Standing Council, Tavatagum, Education Department, lordship. He is out of station, lordship.
Who is the petitioner?
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
Okay, how much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks.
Okay, Mr. Your name, please.
M. Pertin, Mukbang Pertin, my lord.
Okay, M. Party Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Heard. Huh? And Mr.
T. Tato,
Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr.
T. Tagum, Tavatagum.
Learned Standing Counsel Education Department.
Yes, lordship.
First of Mr. So-and-so has submitted that Mr. So-and-so Learned Standing Counsel
My lord, there's interim
Education
also.
Department has out of
There's
station.
interim.
Is out of station. And for what purpose? You have filed counter affidavit or not?
No, lordship.
2022. No file. Not
No,
filed.
not yet filed, my.
And also sought 2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent Education Department. The price allowed leaves the case after 2 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19, my lord. 1 week time may be granted for filing affidavit in reply, my lord.
Okay, Mr. M. Partin,
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner has paid for and is granted 2 weeks time.
1 week, my
1
lord.
week time
1 week time.
to file affidavits in reply on behalf of the petitioners or an affidavit in reply on behalf of the petitioner. One petitioner, right?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Praise the Lord. Please the case says after 1 week.
Yes, my much obliged.
Yes.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I beg to mention item number 60, my lord.
60.
Yes, my lord. I'm for the respondent, my lord, and taken consent from the petitioner.
60. Okay. Mr.
And Sora.
Learned Counsel for the respondent number
2, 3, 3A, 3B, 3C,
Okay.
and 4.
for the private respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, for the private respondents has made a prayer for adjournment. Come out with the consent of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. First of, as prayed for, release the case after
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
My please. Lordship, item number 31, there is an interim order. Lordship.
31.
Yes. Sir.
I have said already, interim orders, wherever passed,
Okay.
shall continue till the next date of listing.
Yes.
It includes your case.
May I, lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, lordship. Lordship, here I'm for the respondent.
Hmm.
On behalf of Titagum, Tavatagum, lordship.
Hmm. Respond number?
Respondent number 4 to 14, lordship. I'm.
Okay.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 15, your lordship.
Who is the petitioner? You have informed.
Your lordship.
Okay. You are for which respondent?
15, your lordship, 15.
Respondent number 15.
Yes, lordship.
You are a state.
Yes, 1 to 3.
Okay. Mr.
T. Tato, Lordship.
Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr. Taba Tagum,
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4 to 14,
Yes, Lordship.
has prayed for listing of the case after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. Full stop. Mr.
GT Raju.
Learned Counsel for the respondent number 15 and Ms. Swanshaw, Learned Government Advocate for the state respondents are present. Full stop. Mr. Swanshaw has submitted that the prayer is made with the consent of the Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The prayer is allowed to release the case after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 1.
Some multiplication.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I have obtained the instruction. In fact, as per this instruction, my lord, there is a manual of 2022 where the multiplication factor of 1 has been made applicable for the entire state.
Lordship,
Then we'll issue notice. I
Yes.
think that multiplication cannot be 1. It is the range is 1 to 2.
1, yes, my lord.
And in many states, fixing of 1 multiplier factor has been set aside.
Yes, my lord.
So we'll issue notice. at
Yes.
this stage. We'll issue
In
notice.
fact, since here the market value has not been determined, the lane rates have been determined by the government. So the multiplier factor also has been kept 1. Because there is this market value cannot be ascertained because the transactions are not registered, my lord. That's why.
But 2013 has said that
1 to 1.
factor should be between 1 to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And in many other states, multiplication is fixed at 1.
Yes.
And that has been set aside by different high courts. So matter would require examination.
Yes.
We'll issue notice
Yes,
at this stage. I heard Miss. But here, original notification. With reference to your letter and shall be 1. Heard Miss. Nochi or El Nochi.
Yes.
Your name?
Yes. Muchi Mele.
Okay. Learned Uchi Mile. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. N. Rotram. Learned Additional Advocate General, Arunachal Pradesh for
1 and 2.
the respondent number 1 and 2. Full stop. The case of the petitioner is that his 2 parcels of land have been acquired for on the project, 30 for the proposed 30 for the Italian hydroelectric project. Most of the parcels of land are situated in Dibang Valley district. The 2 parcels of land, huh? Full stop. The respondent authorities assess the compensation amount and thereafter passed an award of rupees 1,59,14,890 under the provisions of the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act, 2013, within bracket, quote, the RFCT LARR Act, unquote, for short, full stop. The petitioner has submitted that his 2 parcels of land are at a radial distance beyond 20 kilometers from the proposed project, and as such, the multiplication factor ought to have been taken as 1.4 in terms of the government notifications dated 9/1/2015 and 5/7/2016. Full stop. It is the further contention of the petitioner that had the multiplication factor been taken as 1.4, the petitioner would be entitled to receive a compensation of rupees 2,328,206, meaning thereby, the petitioner is entitled to receive a further amount of rupees 44,13,316. Full stop. And the petition has thus assailed the action of the state respondents in taking the multiplication factor as 1.0 in assessing the compensation amount and passing the award instead of multiplication factor 1.4. Full stop. Mr. Roton Learned Additional Advocate General, AP, has submitted on the basis of instructions received that insofar as the project in question, the state government had already decided that the multiplication factor would be 1 as per its manual of 2022. Full stop. The matter would require consideration. The matter regarding fixation of multiplication factor as 1.0 for all the parcels of land acquired for the project would require consideration. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As Mr. Roton has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2, issuance of formal notice to the said respondents is dispensed with. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall furnish requisite number of extra copies of the writ petition along with annexer to Mr. Roton within 2 working days from today. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 by registered post, speed post with AD within 2 working days from today.
Item number 16.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3.
2
2 and
and 3.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir. Bank.
Yes, right.
Petition side is absent.
Yes. My lord, I am for respondent number 1 on behalf of M. Khatam, my lord.
Okay. Nobody is present now. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Full stop, Mr.
RB Yadav.
R.
RB Yadav.
RB.
Yes. my lord.
Only RB.
Yadav. RB
Yadav.
Yadav.
Learned counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2. Before that, Mr.
And Sora.
and Soha.
Sora.
Sora. Learned counsel for the respondent number 1. And Mr. Sorenso for the respondent number 2 and 3 are present. Full stop. In view of non-representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call, let the case come up for ends of justice be listed again after 2 weeks.
Item number 21.
GM Nado. Yes, sir.
Yes, may I please, Your Lordship? But this matter is related to suspension, and my prayer is that suspension should be revoked on the ground that they have not reviewed after 90 days of the
Yes, sir.
suspensions, and they have already filed the affidavits, and they have said that the review has not been done. So on that ground, it can be disposed of, Your Lordship.
Lordship, since the leading counsel is, standing counsel is out of station, I have not received any instruction, Lordship.
Page 52 of their affidavits says that
You were suspended on which date?
suspended on 28 2024.
Okay, that page 17.
Page 17, yes, Your Lord.
That is 28.
Yes, 28.
So you are not authorized to make submission?
Yes, Lordship.
In fact, I have a communication with the standing counsel. So I said I will pay before Your Lordship. If he agrees that he also that if Lordship is agreed, then can we dispose of. I have got in fact call standing counsel.
Yes. Are you at the instruction of the standing counsel to make submission or to seek adjournment?
Lordship,
as per his
as per instruction, Lordship, they instruct me to seek adjournment actually, Lordship.
How much years of practice you have put in?
Sorry, Lordship.
How much years of practice you have put in?
Lordship, it's been 1 year, Lordship.
Then it's okay. He's new.
Otherwise,
we'll fix it.
Obliged, sir.
Next week. When he's coming back?
Most probably, Lordship, 1 week.
1 week.
Then it can be fixed on 4th December.
Yeah.
All right.
Sure. Mr. T. Tagum. Oh, no, sorry. Mr.
Asmo.
Learned counsel for the petition is present. First of Mr.
T. Tato, Lordship.
T. Taco.
Tato.
Learned counsel has submitted that Mr. T. Tagum.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Standing Counsel Education Department is out of station and due to personal reason and has thus sought for listing of the case after a week. Post up. Thoroughly, before that, Mr. Sorenso, Learned Counsel for the petition has submitted that the suspension order passed against the petitioner on 28/8/2024 has not been reviewed within a period of 90 days thereafter, and as such, the suspension order has spent its force. So we have just recorded.
Obliged, that's true.
In view of the prayer made on behalf of the Learned Standing Counsel Education Department, list the case on 4/12,
December.
2025.
Obliged. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item number 24 to 27.
Yes.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in item number 24, I'm preparing for respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, Your Lordship. On behalf of respondent number 1, 4, and 5, we have filed our affidavit already, Your Lordship. But on behalf of 2 and 3, Your Lordship, we will be filing it, Your Lordship.
2 and 3.
For 2 and 3, yes.
Okay, 2 and 3. On behalf of 1, 4, and 5, you have already
Yes, Your
filed.
Lordship.
Yes.
I'm for the petitioner, Your Honor.
How much time you need?
2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks time. This is in a series. Is it not?
Yes, Your Lordship. And item 25, 26, and 27, I'm not the party, Your Lordship.
Okay. You were the counsel there also
Yes, Your Honor.
in the contempt cases.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr.
T. Darge.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Miss
P. Sangeeta.
P. Shangita, learned government advocate for the respondent number 1 to 5. Heart. Miss Sangita, learned government advocate, has prayed for further 3 weeks time
3 weeks time.
or 2 weeks time,
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
further 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 2 and 3. But you have been seeking time on many occasions
Yes, Your Lordship.
for 2 and 3. Full stop. It is noticed that time was sought for on behalf of the respondent number 2 and 3 for filing of counter affidavit on a number of previous occasions. Full stop. In such view of the matter, the respondent number 2 and 3 shall ensure that its counter affidavit is filed within next 3 weeks' time. Full stop. List the cases after 3 weeks.
I do.
Obliged.
Item number 28.
My apologies, my lord. My lord, just
Why
I
just
have received the affidavit in opposition filed by the private respondent.
today?
Yes, today itself, just right now.
By whom?
By private respondent number 5.
5.
Four, my lord.
You
Respondent
intend to
number
file
4.
any reply?
No, my lord.
No.
Yes. So,
Let it,
since the my lord, extensive pleading has already completed, so
let it be brought on record.
my lord, and at the same time, let the matter become on the my lord hearing list
Okay.
in the next week.
Mr.
C. Modi, my lord.
C. Modi, learned counsel for the petitioner, Miss learned government advocate for the respondent number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Mr. K. Kirkum, appearing on behalf of.
This is what? Public premises or what?
My lord.
Huh?
Matter-
Unauthorized occupant act.
My lord. So, for the allegation against me is my lord, the unauthorized occupant acts.
Any order has been passed?
My lord.
Huh?
Order has been passed by the ADC Mariang. So that
Estate officer,
that is not the state officer. Even
not
then
the estate officer.
not the state officer. Even then he is taking the my lord when there is no particular state officer in the that area. So normally
Government
this-
affidavit has been filed.
yes, government has already
What does it say? He has been notified.
my lord.
Huh?
My lordship.
He has been notified
Yes.
as an estate officer.
No, my lordship.
No. No, What is the stand in the affidavit? Government that an estate officer appointed under the provision has issued a notice or not? Yes, Mr. Counsel. What is the stand? What is your challenge?
Basically, my lord, my
Division having allotted plot.
my lord,
At Marian.
I have the I have the
started
allotted
killing
plot.
mere resident of the petitioner by using the same approach road. With the zero minimum of media. The private expenditure as a result was intact with executive paying. The therefore petitioner has erected a wall, but the same was objected because of the wall is never. The complaint of the ADC has issued the impute notice under the document on even director petitioner removed the wall till so and so. The same was evicted. What is the ground of challenge of the notice? Where is the
My lord,
notice?
my lord will find the impute note in page number 29. In fact, my lord, what my contention is that, my lord, I have the
Form
plot.
of notice.
My lord, I have the allotted plot, 400 square meter. But while in
It was issued, prior issue, notice was issued. Any notice was issued?
yes, my lord, the order was issued by the ADC Marian.
1 minute. Any notice?
Initially, my lord, the notice was issued.
You are enjoying some stay order or what?
My lord.
Huh?
Still, my lord, yes, I'm enjoying.
No, how it started?
My lordship, may I, my lordship? This matter was listed on Tuesday, my lordship.
No, he is seeking listing in a hearing list.
His actions of my lord, the pleading has completed, so matter is ready for hearing, my lord. Initially, lordship will find in Annexure A, where my lord, the land allotment. This, I have the past book of the land allotment. Thereafter, my lord, the notice was issued from the ADC Marian. Will be find in page number 22, my lordship.
You were issued a notice
Yes,
of eviction. You did not appear within 7 days. Thereafter, an eviction order was passed by the estate officer, right?
And
then you preferred the writ petition.
that was, my lord, the notice was issued, my lord, in the name of other person, my lord, not to me. Anyhow, my lord,
Mr.
since
C. Modi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Miss so-and-so, learned government advocate for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and Mr. Learned counsel for the respondent number 4. Mr. Modi has submitted that he has received a copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4 only today. Post up. He has You need to file any reply?
No, my lord.
No. He has submitted that no affidavit in reply is required to be submitted against the said affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 4. Post up. The Learned Counsel for the parties have thus submitted that the exchange of pleading is complete and matter repetition can be heard after admission. Post up. The repetition is admitted for hearing. Office to list the case for hearing in due course.
All right.
You are enjoying interim order until further order. But I think you ought to have filed an appeal before the district judge. Your writ petition may be found not maintainable at a later point of time.
My lord, I will object on it.
There are lots of ruling on that point. If you are aggrieved by an eviction order under the Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Act, then you have the option of filing an appeal before the district judge.
My lord, that is the.
Look into it.
My lord, under section.
Yes.
All right.
Item number 53 and 54.
Both time.
Yes, ma'am. This is for restoration, madam. Petitioner is absent, ma'am.
Restoration.
Applicant is absent, madam.
No steps.
Come for respondent, madam. 1 to 4, madam.
1 to 4.
Yes, madam.
Who is 5? Your
5 is-
state. Your
Yes, madam.
state.
For state, madam. 5 is private respondent, madam.
Who is the order for dismissal for non-prosecution?
It was on 18/7/24, my lord.
18/7. What was the relief you were seeking for in the writ petition?
He was seeking my inquiry, madam.
Is the writ petition file is there?
Petition.
He was seeking inquiry, madam, against respondent number
Huh?
5, madam. He was seeking inquiry against respondent number 5, madam.
Enquiry against respondent number 5.
Yes, madam.
Public Health Engineering Department release, because sometime writ petition turns out to be a harassing petition, right?
Yes, madam.
Let me find out, because he is not taking steps.
Yes, madam. For respondent number 5, madam.
So I may dismiss. Gaumura. Petitioner is Gaumura.
Yes, my lord.
We're dismissing it.
Yes, ma'am.
No point flogging a dead horse.
Yes.
There is no representation on behalf of the applicant today on call. Post of Miss Y.
T. Wangmu, my lord.
T. Wangmu, learned
State respondent for 1 to 4, my lord.
government advocate for the opposite party number 1 to 4 is present. Post of the instant application, interlocutory application, is preferred under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, seeking condonation of delay of 18 days, comma, which period of delay has occurred in filing the accompanying interlocutory application, comma, Miss MC, this one, MC, within bracket WPC number 02/AP 2024. Full stop. The accompanying interlocutory application, comma, MC, within bracket WP number 02 within bracket AP 2024 is preferred, seeking restoration of a writ petition, comma, 505 within bracket AP stroke 2023, which was dismissed for default on 18/7/2024 for non-appearance of the writ petitioner therein, comma, who is the applicants in these two interlocutory applications. Post stop. Para Miss so-and-so, Learned Government Advocate, appearing for the opposite party number 1 to 4, has submitted that the writ petition was preferred by the writ petitioner, that is the applicant herein, alleging non-completion of a Jal Jeevan alleging improper commission of a project under Jal Jeevan Mission
Yes.
in the village Des Gasing, where the writ petitioner is the Gambura. Full stop. It is submitted that the respondent number 5 therein was the successful bidder to carry out the contract work for augmentation of water supply and he was issued a work order for a contract value of rupees 55,66,000. Poster. Alleging gross irregularities in the completion of the contract work. The writ petitioner seeking an inquiry had preferred the writ petition. Full stop. Para. Full stop. When the writ petitioner, not para, when the writ petition was found absent on 2 consecutive occasions on 30/4/2024 and 18/7/2024, the court, finding such non-representation, dismissed the writ petition on 18/7/2024 for non-prosecution. Full stop. Para. The writ petitioner as the applicant has preferred the 2 interlocutory applications, MC so-and-so and IS number so-and-so. Full stop. The filing of the application seeking a restoration of the writ petition is numbered as MCWP number 02 AP of 2024. Post of the filing of the said application with 18 days of delay is suggestive of an act itself is suggestive of an act of absence of earnestness on the part of the applicant. First of para. In the ISC number 159/2024, notice was issued to the respondents on 9/9/2024. Post op. The applicant was directed to take steps for service of notice upon the opposite party number 5, who was impleaded as party respondent number 5 in WPC number 505 AP 2023, as the other opposite parties, that is opposite party number 1 to 4, is represented by the learned government advocate. Full stop. When steps were taken by the applicant for service of notice upon the opposite party number 2, full stop. When neither ID card nor answer notice had returned back from the opposite party number 5 after service till 25 to 2025, the applicant sought permission to take steps for service of notice upon the opposite party number 5 by way of Dusty, which was to be routed to the registry. Post op. The applicant was also directed to file a compliance affidavit to that effect by an order dated 27 to 2025. Post op. The application, ISC 1 number 159 within bracket AP 2024, along with Miss WP number so and so, was listed on 19/6/2025. Post of as the applicant had not taken any steps for service of notice upon the opposite party number 5 by way of Dusty, the applicant was granted, as per his prayer, further for his time to take steps for service of notice upon the opposite party number 5. Post of para. The office note dated 26/11/2025 has reported that the steps for service of notice upon the opposite party number 5 has not been taken by the applicant till date, meaning thereby after the order dated 19/6/2025, the applicant has not taken the requisite steps for more than 5 months till date. Post op. When the case is called up today, there is none to represent the applicant. Post op. From the above facts, it is evident that the applicant is not serious in pursuing the applications for restoration of the writ petition WPC number 505 AP 2023, as he has neither taken steps for service of notice upon the opposite party number 5 for more than 5 months, nor he has appeared when the application is listed. Full stop. In such view of the matter, the court is constrained to dismiss the application, interlocutory application. IAC number 159 AP 2024 for non-prosecution. Full stop. In the MC. In view of the order passed today in IAC 159 AP 2024 today, this interlocutory application is accordingly dismissed. No point. Yes. Yes, the other matter. Let us call the other matters.
Okay. Item number 55.
Tindu Chadar. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. My lord, the petitioner, my lord. He is the owner of the land, my lord, whereupon the circle officer building has been constructed with
Why
permission.
it has come?
My lord.
Why it has come today?
My lord,
Additional affidavit.
my lord, in fact, my lord, it was supposed to be filed by the state, but they have, in the last occasion, has refused, my lord. They,
Document as sought for is not scheduled since there was MS. He will not be filing any additional affidavit.
yes, my lord.
Yes.
Okay.
So, my lord, this
What is the matter about?
matter is, my lord, in nutshell, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, he owns a land, my lord, a taxing, my lord. It is in upper Sivamsuri district, my lord. It's this very far flung area, my lord, remote area, my lord. Earlier, my lord, there was no acquisition and donation of the land, my lord. So that administrative circle was to be, my lord, created. So for that, my lord, petitioner was requested by the state instrumentalist. This is for the donation of the land, my lord. But he did not do that, my lord. Instead, he has allowed the administration to construct this ordinary, this circle office building, my lord. He did not allow them to construct this RCC building, my lord.
You lost protest?
Yes, my lord.
Lost protest?
Yes, my lord. On my agreement only, my lord. Since, my lord, they have agreed to construct this temporary, this wooden type house, my lord.
When?
In the year 2001.
2021.
One.
Yes, my lord. Then thereafter, my lord, for circle officer, my lord, a vast area is needed, my lord. So therefore, my lord, since this structure, my lord, it was going to collapse, my lord. So there was a meeting in between the administration and the public of the area, my lord, for permanent acquisition of land, my lord. Either it has to be voluntarily donated by the inhabitants of that area, my lord. So petitioner, he is also the, my lord, one of this intellectual of that area. So he knows the importance of the circle headquarters, my lord. And he, apart from chairman of one society called Nang Welfare Society, my lord, of that area, my lord. And this society, my lord, has very vast area of land. So there was various meeting in between the, my lord, the landowners, inhabitant of Nacho Circle.
I am yet to be acquainted with Arunachal land laws. Very difficult for me.
My lord.
Let it be some other day. Who is more convergent? Because land law of Arunachal Pradesh is something different than.
May I submit otherwise, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, this matter, the disputed land is in dispute, Your Lordship. In fact,
You are
this
seeking
land is,
compensation or what?
No, my lord. My lord,
Acquisition of the land.
Lordship, this,
yes, my lord.
Or demolish, construct, demolish.
My lord, I am not.
Permanent building for zero upon the private land of the prisoner should not be set aside. Okay.
If my lord allows me 5 minutes, my lord, I will just clarify, my lord.
this is a community land, Your
My lord,
Lordship. This is not an individual's land, Your Lordship. This is community land. called Darshi family. They own this land, Your Lordship.
And
Yes.
this office has been constructed in what area of land?
In the Darshi family clan land.
It is just, my lord,
Community land.
must be not more than 300 square meters, my lord.
300 square meters?
Yes, my lord.
And you are an owner of how much area?
I have, my lord.
Vast area, you say?
Yes, my lord.
No, 300 meter will decide later on.
My lord.
Oh, this is the building. Page 18, picture.
Yes, my lord.
Oh.
Now, my lord, if my lord permits, allows me to, my lord, submit another
Some other
5 minutes, my lord. My lord.
Some other day, Mr.
D, come look, my lord.
Come look.
My lord, I want to have a fixed date, my lord, because.
For the petitioner is present. Miss, are you ready, miss?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Are you ready?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ready?
Yes.
Then we can come back at 2.
Okay, Your Lordship. Otherwise, Your Lordship, this petition can be dismissed, Your Lordship.
Yes, let us argue, my lord, up at 2, my
Because,
lord.
Your Lordship, this matter of the fact is in dispute, Your Lordship, because this.
Okay, then we'll come back at 2.
Yes, my lord. If
any other matter, we'll take up this at 2.
Okay, we'll take
Let us see the others.
item number 56.
Yes.
The respondent service report is incomplete.
Incomplete.
Yes.
So many.
Yes.
Mr.
S. Sirang, Lordship.
Learned Council Board of Petitioner, and Mr.
M. Dasoi, Lordship. I'm on behalf of private respondent, Lordship. My
number?
5, 17, 52, 75.
Write the number. Write the number in a piece of paper, and Miss Swanshaw Learned Government Advocate are present in view of the office note dated 26/11/2025. Await for the service reports in respect of the remaining respondents.
Lordship, for respondent number 129, 133, 142, 139, and 140.
It is already there.
Yes. We have not. We have replied. We got the reply that the respondent for respondent number 133, the respondent is expired.
You make a mention, then you have to delete the name. Then
yes, we will be allowed to.
You have to file an application.
Yes.
Either to delete his name or to substitute his name by legal representatives. But that has to be by an appropriate pleading.
Yes.
By filing an interlocutory application.
Yes.
Okay, release the case after 2 weeks. You file in the meantime, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Whatever you want to file.
Yes.
Item number 57 and 58.
Tasar Pana. Yes, Tasar
Mr. Lordship. Yes, on behalf of the petitioner side. And
is for what?
Regarding the interim prayer, my lord.
Okay.
Yes. Earlier in your
This is
lordship.
the first time or what?
Yes. Yeah. Actually, no. This matter already taken up as a motions and service already completed in the part of our side. But the part is missing, Your Honor. This is the interim prayer on the last occasions.
Okay.
So I fresh filed the IA regarding this matter. So highlighting this point, my lord, I impugn order.
The repetition. Did you press for interim relief?
Yes.
Earlier? When the repetition was moved?
Not press, my lord. Not press. That's why I filed the IA regarding the interim prayer.
Learned Council Bagra President issue notice. Extra copies.
Yes, my lord.
How long is the prayer?
Yes, my lord. In the main petition.
When interview the domicile. First prayer itself is your interpretation, seeking interpretation of domicile-based reservation.
Yes, my lord.
You should know.
Interim relief is necessary regarding that. Otherwise, the concerned authority directly, indirectly created the post and advertised after the conducting of the exam, the
There was
vacancy
no
fulfilled.
interim prayer in the writ petition.
Not, Your Honor. That's why I filed the IA regarding this.
Subsequently, you have filed the IA.
IA, yes, subsequently filed the IA.
So,
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of learner TSGI, Mr. M. Kato. We are for respondent number 1.
Yes.
Who is the main respondent?
2, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2.
Now, issue is what? Advertisement was of 8/2/2025.
Yes.
You want stay of it in
Yes.
November.
Yes.
Will issue notice at this stage.
My lord, regarding this matter.
8/2/2025. We are in November.
Yes, November, my lord. That's true.
Huh? After 10 months, you were seeking a stay.
Before came here, I already submitted the one representation regarding this some unfair manner regarding in my petition.
No, whether any there is a
28/5.
standing counsel for respondent number 2.
Annexure 9, page number
Whether
86.
there is any standing counsel for respondent number 2.
Earlier is Lawrence sir, but till now who is actually I didn't know. Your Honor.
Find out if there is any standing counsel because you are coming after about 10 months,
10
right?
months. Yes.
Seeking advertisement, seeking a stay on an advertisement.
Yes, my
right.
Yes, my lord.
So your laxity for 10 months is a factor to be considered against you, right? So better if the learned standing counsel is there for NIT.
NIT.
Then we can consider. Otherwise, we have to issue notice because this is a delayed approach. What is the principle in writ jurisdiction for passing an interim order? You have to be on your foot, on your guard all the time.
Yes, my lord.
So we can issue notice at this stage, or you can find out whether there is any standing counsel for NIT.
I searched within the premises, but no any.
Get it listed.
Any possible?
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has sought listing of the case. When is the earliest? It is not tomorrow. 2nd of December.
1 December, if possible, my lord.
Oh, holiday.
It's a holiday.
1 December is holiday, sir.
Oh, my lord.
That is why, that is the earliest.
Because, my lord, in between, it is every possible that they create the.
February, you are sitting over the matter, not only sitting.
Yes, my lord.
You were sleeping. No. So in order to find out whether there is any standing counsel, NIT. NIT, which place?
NIT, Jote.
Jote,
Itanagar.
Mr. So-and-so, learned
5th
counsel
December.
for the respondent of number 1 is present. Full stop. Release the case on 2nd.
Item number 59
57.
or 59, 57, 58 हो गया.
Same or what?
Lordship, no, Your Lordship. Item number
This is for what?
59. Your Lordship, they have filed IA for amending the course title. But Lordship, this matter has become in practice. Because in the main writ petition, they are aggrieved regarding enrollment of in Panchayati e-roll. So, yes, Your Lordship. And the act says after last date of the nominations, no amendment, deletion or addition can be done. So this has become in practice, Lordship.
So then we close both.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Reserving liberty to the petitioner
to approach
to seek appropriate remedy
yes,
in the event of any subsequent cause of action.
Lordship.
Okay, Mr.
T. Tatak.
T. Tatak, learned counsel for the petition. Read petition, WPC. Miss
Anju?
Learned Government Advocate.
No, Your Lordship, Standing Council for State Election Commission.
Okay, Learned Standing Council. State Election Commission.
Lordship.
Oh, that correction.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. For the respondent number six.
Six, Your Lordship.
Six. Miss
And I'm for 1, 3, 4, and 5, Your Lordship.
1, 3, 4, and 5 are present. First of Mr. Tatak Learned Council for the petitioner has submitted that in view of the subsequent developments, the subject matter of the petition has become infructuous, which submission is endorsed by the Learned Council for the official respondents. First of, in view of the above submission made by the Learned Council for the parties, the petition having been rendered infructuous, is dismissed, reserving the liberty to the petitioner to avail appropriate remedies in the event of any subsequent cause of action. First of, in view of the order passed today in the accompanying WPC petition, WPC number 544 AP 2025, the instant interlocutory application stands accordingly disposed of.
Obliged.
Chips. Yeah, matter is only one matter is left. We'll take it soon.
We will hear, if I understand, we'll decide or otherwise defer. Okay, there is a decision to dismantle the earlier building.
Yes, my lord.
And as per that, circle officer directed the executive engineer to submit an action taken report. Right.
My lord.
And it was decided to execute construction of a new permanent circle office building at Taksin headquarters. Right.
Yes, my lord.
Does it mean that after dismantling of the earlier dilapidated building,
My lord.
that the new building is going to be constructed in the same place?
Yes, my lord.
What is the stand in the affidavit? Additional affidavit.
Additional
What is your additional affidavit?
This is regarding, my lord, I have this short information through RTI, my lord.
Okay.
That if the land was ever acquired or donated by any individual, my lord.
That you have said.
Yes, my lord.
Already.
Yes, my lord. That I have said, and but since
And what is the RTI information?
Yeah, this is, my lord, it was furnished by the DLRSO, my lord, District Land Revenue and Settlement Officer, my lord. He is usually the head of the land branch, my lord, in the district, my lord. And all the records, my lord, are kept in his office, my lord. So therefore, I have sought for information, my lord.
Now, what is the affidavit of the respondent?
My lord, they are just saying, my lord, they are not disputing that, my lord, the land was never donated or acquired, my lord. Only they are saying that, my lord.
Your lordship, paragraph 5, your lordship. The present where circle officer's office construction is going on is a vacant land, your lordship. It was voluntarily earmarked by the public, your lordship.
So, as I have found out yesterday, that there used to be in the state of Arunachal Pradesh a land position certificate.
My lord.
Do you have the land position?
No, my lord. In fact, my lord, that, my lord, in Arunachal Pradesh, my lord, LPC is of course issued, my lord. But in the entire region, my lord, even, my lord, all the indigenous people, my lord, they only apply for LPC of this important and like in the nearby town area, my lord. In the rest of the area, my lord, no community applies for LPC, my lord.
So, see, in a writ petition,
My lord.
For adjudication, everything is on the basis of statements made on affidavit,
My lord.
right?
My lord.
You claim it to be your land,
My lord.
where the cycle office is functioning.
My lord.
After constructing a house, Odeon house, since 2002.
One, my lord.
On the other hand, they are saying since 1959, cycle office is functioning.
No, my lord.
No, sitting here, how can I
Yes,
decide?
yes, my lord.
Right?
I understand, my lord.
So
I
this is this is the difficulty.
My lord.
This needs leading of evidence.
My lord.
Because we don't know, because had there been a LPC, we could have easily decided that yes, this is done. But you have claimed that from your forefather, this land is being enjoyed by you. So when they approached you in 2001, you allowed them to construct a wooden building, right?
Yeah, my lord.
So that the circle office functions from there. That is your statement. And the minute says that the government is asking for pre-land
Yes, my lord. Correct.
from the landowner.
Yes, my lord.
And identified also the local community, identified a plot of land also.
Yes, my lord.
Right. And you are saying that after dismantling is done.
My lord, it is done, my lord.
But new building is constructed.
My lord, they have, my lord, dropped the...
It is also not clear that they are also constructing the circle office from your plot of land.
My lord, my instruction, my lord. After the filing of this writ petition, my lord, there was this persuasion from the state side also, my lord, for donating the land to my client, my lord. But he stated no, my lord. Even he is not allowed to get it, my lord, acquired, my lord, because he has constructed his house over this land, my lord, just nearby this CO office, my lord. So, my lord, therefore, my lord, he has been, my lord, this is of course not pleaded in my writ petition, my lord. That was a subsequent development, my lord. Even the MLA, my lord might have seen the minors, my lord. Even the MLA of the...
I have not read it in detail. I have
So,
found that they have asked for free land
yes, my lord.
from the community and all other landowners.
And we are willing to, my lord, give this donate free of land free of cost to the state, my lord. And it is only 200 meters away from...
Right. These are policy decisions. We don't... Code does not decide where the circle office is to be located.
My lord.
It is for the administration to decide where is the best place to locate the circle office. The question is about the land, where it is to be located. If the land belongs to a private person, as claimed by you, then it has to be either free
or
consent or acquisition.
My lord.
Right.
My lord.
If acquisition, you have no problem because you will be compensated.
My lord.
You cannot complain also.
Yes.
You can only complain about assessment of compensation. That's as compensation is to be paid to you as per law, right? Now here we do not have also any LPC to decide. They are also not admitting anything.
My lord, may
they are also not admitting anything.
May I, my lord?
Problem is there.
My lord.
Better you try. Otherwise, it will be a disputed question of fact.
Yes, sir.
My lord.
At least from the perspective of this court.
My lord.
So you better try.
My lord, we have, my lord, this Arunachal Pradesh Land Settlement and Record Act, my lord.
No, I go by what is available in the record.
My lord.
You have not been able to demonstrate by a convincing document that you are the owner of the land. You have made a statement on note, but contrary to that, they have also said that that office is functioning since 1959.
Land-
Where were they for last 65 years? Like that. So you come up with a better, some better materials.
My lord,
To claim that this is my land, circle office was functioning from my land with a wooden house. You have to controvert that. You have to controvert those statements.
my lord, I understand, my lord. But my lord,
Have you filed any affidavit in reply?
No, Your Lordship.
no, my lord.
Then it will go into the disputed territory.
My lord, what I am submitting, my lord,
Council-
there is a backing from the law enacted by the state of AP, my lord. What it says, my lord.
No, as on that, Mr., if you go by the procedure of adjudicating a writ petition,
My lord.
now with the counter affidavit, the stand taken in the counter affidavit by the state respondents, the issues have fallen into disputed category, right? Disputed questions of fact. So you have a right to reply. You reply to their affidavit by bringing convincing material on record that this is my land, no one else's. Then otherwise you'll claim only statement on oath and their statement on oath. What can we decide?
My lord, my humble understanding, my lord.
Let it be after 1 week you try. Otherwise, if I decide with the materials on record, it will be
If I,
held to be a disputed question of
Lordship,
fact.
if I may, Lordship. Lordship, we have received a letter of communication written by the same Darshi family from where the petitioner belongs to, Your Lordship. He is the step brother only, Your Lordship, because he is claiming that the land is also belongs to him, Your Lordship. That is why, Your Lordship, I'm submitting that this question of there is a dispute of question of fact, Your Lordship.
You bring some more material on record.
My lord, that submission would be my
What
lord.
is your land document?
That,
That paying khazna, real revenue, something.
we don't pay, my lord.
Nothing.
We in the state of AP, my lord, unless we.
I'll go there. I will also claim ownership. What can we do? I'll also file a writ petition that this is my land. That will, again will go to more disputed questions of fact.
My lord.
Right. Please bring some more documents.
If
Will
I
not-
base-
My lord, sir.
I have the letter, Your Lordship, otherwise, for your perusal, Your Lordship.
Have it. If your land is occupied, definitely you will decide. But we have to decide on the basis of some proven fact.
My lord.
Yesterday we decided on the basis of one LPC. Decided. Boundaries are defined. Right. LPC was issued. Then subsequently another LPC was issued. So we decided. But here,
It was written on 6th May, Your Lordship, 2025. Lordship, may I also read, Your Lordship, the last page of the petition, Your Lordship. Last
Yes.
page of the petitioner's petition, Your Lordship.
Which
The
page?
annexure
Which paragraph?
20 annexure 20, page number 26, Your Lordship, last page. Annexure, last annexure, Your Lordship. Annexure 5 of the petitioner's petition, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Bullet point number 3, Your Lordship.
Ah.
May I read, Your Lordship? It has also been brought to the notice of the dignitaries regarding the disagreement among Darcy family regarding construction of circle office on the existing all CO office site at Taksin headquarters. To resolve the same, the attendants have asked for some time period. This
Looks
outcome of
like
this-
there are some family disputes also on ground.
It is not
Many,
clear.
many, he is one, there are other claimants also. One, somebody said missing Chadar. He donated the land in 1959.
He is the forefather of both the.
But
that
you have no,
should go to-
return this to, you have no convincing material. Let you file your affidavit, I am affidavit in reply. Controvert this.
Yes,
This-
yes, my lord. My lord, I'll do that, my lord. And
You do it.
my lord,
Otherwise it's not possible.
my lord, may kindly see, my lord.
What can we see?
My lord, all the lands, my lord, in Arunachal Pradesh belongs to my lord, either private or community, my lord.
Yes, maybe.
Unless it is, my lord, acquired or donated by the this Persian owner, my lord.
Mr.
Until, my lord, government state can show,
Sir,
my lord.
we can decide this repetition in many ways.
My lord.
Right.
My lord. Yes, my lord.
Many ways.
Yes, my lord.
At least I can think of 5 different ways of disposing of this petition.
Correct, my lord.
But I am hearing you only so that if you are entitled to something, that something should be granted to you. Otherwise, if the statement is from the state, it is normally presumed to be correct because they have no personal biasness. But sometimes it happens, personal biasness. 1959, if the land is donated free of cost to construct circle office, it means circle office temporary and permanent. We can observe, and it was it was donated free. Then subsequent generation cannot claim. There are decisions to that effect. So once given free, it should remain free for all the time. Right? In that manner also can be decided because authorities are there. You can write one Syed Maqbul Ali, 50 years back, land has been donated. If his grandchild or great-grandchild claims, no way. No way. So I'm not saying so. You controvert whatever they have stated in the affidavit in opposition. Come up with some better claim. I am granting you this opportunity so that if you are entitled for something, he should be given that, right?
Yes, my lord. My lord, in fact, my
Right. I have read now.
Yeah, my.
I have read. And before the break, I did not read it. Now I have read.
My lord,
You have a
after
right
the
to reply.
after the filing of writ petition, my lord.
Right, Mr. How much time you need? You have to collect document.
Then, my lord, after 2 weeks, my lord.
Mr. Kambuk, T. Kambuk, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Miss
P. Sangita, Your Lordship.
P. Shangita, Learned Counsel for the state respondents.
All, Your Lordship.
Huh?
All. Only state response are there.
How many?
3.
1 to 3, all the state
Yes, Your
respondents.
Lordship.
Post of Mr. Tambuk has paid for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2 and 3. Post of. Okay, list the case accordingly after 2 weeks.
Much
After 2
obliged.
weeks, the office. Collect some
Yes, my lord. Ma'am, I have been, my lord,
convincing document.
subjected to harassment, my lord. I have been transferred to this last.
We have to decide on
No,
record.
yes, my lord.
We don't go for fill and spray. For that purpose, you have to institute a civil suit,
Yes.
lead evidence, issues would be framed, issues will be decided. You lead oral and documentary. In that case, you can lead oral evidence. Bring the Gaumbra, bring your grandfather, bring bring your granddaddy, establish that this is my land. I've been enjoying, my family has been enjoying. They have forcefully entered into. For that civil proceeding, civil suit, not writ petition.
Correct, ma'am.
Right. For that, so otherwise, if you don't controvert this, then it is disputed question. Very simple. And we have many other cases to decide. Not disputed questions of fact. So come up with better case.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Ah.